Okay, here we have AI in a nutshell. This is a Laravel-based web app for learning artificial intelligence through short and practical lessons. The idea behind AI is in a nutshell simple. Learning AI shouldn't be overwhelming. Each lesson focuses on one clear topic, giving you real understanding of just in a few minutes. This is a clean, responsive design. This is built with Tailwind CSS. Lessons are organized by chapters, making it easy to explore topics step by step. We have admin dashboard. Let's log in like this, and then password. Okay, of course it's not secured. This is just for testing. This is the admin dashboard. Everything runs securely with Laravel authentication, including login, registration, password resets, and email verifications. Here we can create a new chapter. So far we have only one, everyday AI. And we can create new lessons with slug summary. We can choose image file, and then we can put text. We can put text in here. We can publish, save, and everything like that. As you can see, the design uses a color blue and gold color scheme. With the modern layout, it is a responsive layout, always visible footer for consistent polished looks. So basically it's a lightweight open source learning platform for exploring artificial intelligence in small digestible lessons. So you can just put the lessons in here, and that's about it. Let's look under the hood a little bit. Here we have two files, lesson controller and lesson request. For the lesson controller, we are caching chapters and publishing lessons for 10 minutes under home chapters. Eager loading lessons sorted by position, order by position, and publish that is not null. Filters publish that is not null. Return lessons index with chapters. Then we have this function, public function show, guards URL integrity 404 if the lesson doesn't belong to the chapters. View count debounce, build a cache key, lesson ID, view session IP, and increments view count once per 30 minutes per visitor. We have a Markdown. HTML loses leak CommonMark with HTML input equals strip, and allow unsafe links equals false. This is here to when you're doing this to sanitize and pass HTML to the view. We return lessons show. This is the view with chapter lesson and HTML. Okay. Caching cuts queries on home. Debounce prevents spam with bumps. CommonMark config blocks raw HTML and unsafe links. This is the lesson request. These are basically the rules, what we need to do when we fill out the form. What is required, nullable, maximum number of letters, and so on. So yeah, that's basically it. See ya.